Okay, so we got a 2003 Camry, and we got a code here. Check engine light is on, and the code is P0136. Um, Bank1 Sensor 2. Okay, the circuit. So pretty much, usually most likely is the bad sensor. It got a few other codes, but that's the main one right there. So let's see what else we got. Okay, there you go. 2 of 2, 2 of 3. And that's it. That's what we got. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna order a sensor and we're gonna change this baby, but we're gonna see where it's located first. So we're gonna go under the hood. We're gonna pop this hood open. And it's only one bank, even though it tells you bank 1. Okay, so there is no bank 2 here. So this is the first sensor. It's called upstream, and then you have a downstream. It's in the bottom. So that one we cannot locate it here. If you can see the connector right there, the white wirings right down there, those are the wires for the sensor. So we're gonna be able to do this from the bottom, and we're gonna change out the sensor. Okay, so to change out this sensor, we're looking at the oil pan right here. That's the passenger side front wheel. Right here is our oxygen sensor right here. This is the downstream bank 1 sensor 1, 2. Anyways, to disconnect the sensor, you just need to go right in there. It's gonna be hard for the camera to see, but let's see if I can do it. If not, then I'm gonna have to put the camera away, and I am gonna have to fish this baby out. So there is a tab up there, right on the top where my finger is right now, the one that's moving. Push down on that tab and pull out the sensor. Okay, I can't do it. Cannot do it with one hand. So let me figure this out. So what I'm gonna do here is we're gonna grab this little pick that I have sitting around. We're gonna from the front here, we're gonna push up the tab instead of squeezing the tab. That'd be another way to disconnect the sensor. And then we're gonna try to push this baby out at the same time. And I forgot one thing. This is a cheap tool. The handle's turning. Okay, so I will show you once I have it out. Turn over this little guy. Let me grab the light in my hand. What I did was, since the metal piece is kind of weak, so I just pushed it over so we can see it better. I got a better visual of this guy now. And now I can squeeze it better and pull it better, which might not work. Oh, God. Oh. Sometimes I like to cry. Because things don't go my way. So we're gonna retry the pick trick. And this baby is almost out. It's moving. Yep, there you go. So all you need to do is push down on this tab. Up if you're going from the front, push it up. Or pull it down from the back end. Anyways, I got a 22mm wrench here. So if your car is nice and hot, that's the perfect time to do this, guy. But you see that my bolts are loose on the flex pipe because I was doing something on it, but yours shouldn't move. So there goes nothing. So the parts guy wanted to know if this is federal or Kelly emission. We don't have that information. So turn. Should come out with turns. And there's part number on this. It is Toyota 89465-06050. I'm gonna give this part number, and we're gonna get a new sensor. So we got a new sensor. Okay, here's the part number, Denso, and here's our sensor. Okay, this is the sensor. So what we're gonna do is, this package was open. Somebody must have bought it and returned it. Anyways, a little bit of anti-seize. I had it sitting around. It wasn't in the package, so all around the thread, a little bit of anti-seize. And don't worry if you didn't get it on the whole thing. That's fine. And we're gonna take this baby in. If you got a torque wrench, I would torque it. If not, it's fine. Take the sensor. Make sure you grab all the threads. Pay attention to the wiring in the back so you don't yank it or anything like that. It's gonna twist and turn. Bada bing, bada boom. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get our 22mm wrench and we're gonna tighten this baby up. So this is a 2003 Toyota Camry. If you guys got a 2002, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and if the setup is the same, this is a downstream Bank1 Sensor 2. Take this little guy, make sure the harness is nice and straight, and all we need to do is take this baby, switch hands, and we're gonna connect it. After that, reset your light, and it should not come on. If there's any issues, you do want to check your fuse and relay. It does have a fuse and relay for these sensors. That's it. Clicks in, make sure it's nice and good, and we're all set. Thank you for watching my video, guys. See you guys on the next one. And there's our sensor on this Toyota Camry. Bye bye.